Good morning, class 7th. So, yesterday we have completed this part, comprehension of narrow escape, comprehension and write the meanings of the words in italics. So, we have finished this yesterday and today we are going to start with the part C, this one. Okay, so please take out your books at page number 40. Take out your books at page number 40 and we'll start with the C part. Find the words from the lesson that have the following meanings. You have to find the words from the lesson. They have given the hints. The sound of an arrow and bow. The sound of an arrow and bow. It is twang. It came into the lesson, this word, when he shoot his arrows. So there is twice written this word in the lesson. That is twang. Second is thin tubes that carry blood. The word is veins. When Denise asked the Gerard that what is flowing in your veins, milk or blood, remember? So that is, the word is veins. A tool used for chopping wood. What was, which weapon the Gerard was carrying with himself? It was an axe. A child whose parents are dead is called an orphan. And they thought that beer cup was an orphan. They were talking about that, isn't it? A baby bear is called a cup. Now we come to the next one, the language skills. Join the following pairs of sentences using ing phrase and one is done for you. They saw a bear in front of them. They ran to climb tree. So the word saw is changed into seeing. Seeing a bear in front of them, comma, they ran to climb a tree. Similarly, we have to write the following sentences. They walked along the road. They had no carriages. They were walking, or we can write like this, walking along the road. We will add this. They walked along. They were walking along the road as they had, comma, as they had no carriages. They thought their death was sure. They decided to kill the bear. Thought. The word thought will be changed into thinking. Thinking their death was sure, comma, they decided to kill the bear. Is it clear to you? Is it visible? I think so, it is visible. The mother bear found her dead cub. She was out of control. Now here found, the word found will be changed into finding. Mother bear finding her dead cub was out of control, full stop. Denise held his crossbow tightly. He ran towards a safer place. Denise, holding his crossbow tightly, ran towards a safer place. Gerard climbed the tree in a hurry. He slipped and fell down. Gerard climbing. Climbed is changed into climbing. Gerard climbing the tree in hurry, slipped and fell down. I hope it is clear to all of you. Now we move to the next one. Here the instructions are given. In this part, you have to read the instructions and you have to form the sentences as the instructions are given. So the first we have to write one. We have to start with a noun. Like here they have started the beer and they have given the word noun, man. So the first part we will write the man. Okay, clear? Then we have to add an adjective. Like here they have done the fiery beer. Adjective add किया इन्होंने यहाँ पे. हम लिखेंगे the tall man. Adjective add कर दिया हमने tall. Add another adjective and a comma. So the fearsome fiery beer. So they have added this word. So we will write the handsome tall man. We have added one more adjective, handsome. Now they have added a verb. The fearsome fiery bear growled. Action. Okay. So we have written number 4. The handsome tall man walked. Okay. We have added walked. This is also an action. An adverb that tells how. We have done not the right. We have done this. So the fearsome fiery bear growled menacingly. Here we have added the handsome tall man walked swiftly. कैसे चल रहा था? We have to answer the question how he was walking swiftly. Now here tells where he is going. The fearsome fiery bear growled menacingly over the hills. So we have completed the sentence by adding the handsome tall man walked swiftly towards the hotel. Is it clear to all? So we have also added the where. Here where he is going to the hotel. Now we'll come to the next part. Here it is the word part. Write the opposites of the following words. First one is wild. The opposite is tame. Dangerous. Harmless. This is the dangerous. So the opposite of it is which does not have any danger or does not have any harm. That is harmless. Wild is like wild animals. We say wild animals. And tame is those we keep as a pet. Those are called tame. Excellent. Excellent is very good. So the opposite of it will be poor, inferior. Huge. Huge is very big thing. And the opposite will be tiny. Often. अक्सर आप जो काम करते हैं. So इसका opposite हो जाएगा या तो seldom या rarely. Whatever you feel like writing. Quick. Quick होता है fast. उसका opposite होगा slow. Now here we have to write 2 extra words with the suffix. Suffix is the part of the word that is added at the end of the word. Suffix is the part of the word. This is less, ous, these type of words. So these are the suffixes. We have to write 2 words ending with the word full. So I have written remorseful, powerful. You can write beautiful also. It is up to yourself. Beautiful. If you find this word difficult, remorseful is when you have done something wrong and you are feeling bad for it. That is called remorseful. Powerful though you understand, and beautiful is also an easy word. So it is up to you whether you want to write powerful, beautiful, or remorseful or powerful. Any two. Painter, carpenter, cashier. Okay. Chemist, florist, dentist. Villain, sweeten. The next part is thinking skills. If you fill in the answers correctly, you will find a word that should made you happy. That should make you happy आएगा यहाँ पे बच्चे. It is wrongly printed. Reading down the arrowed column, and here the mistake is that they have by mistaken they have rounded this line. The word occurs in this line. The first one is the opposite of the lower, higher. So I have written higher here, but the circle they have made, there comes G. So this line is wrong. You have to make it yourself with your pen. This line will be. So we have finished with this. Now we will start with this. If you fill in the answers correctly, you will find a word that should make you happy, reading down the arrowed column. This line which they have, the book has given you, this line is the wrong one. Actually the word becomes in this line. 1, 2, 3, fourth line. So you have to make circles with your pen. ये कोई word नहीं बनता बच्चे, ये बनता है holidays, and this is the right lane where the word forms. So the opposite of lower, higher. You have to write higher and you have to circle the H. Okay, you are getting me? The most popular game in the world is football. O. You have to encircle the O. Boot you wear in wet and snow. Wellington. The boots you wear in wet and snow is Wellington. Summer top. Summers में आप क्या पहनते हैं? T-shirt. So you have to encircle these fourth lane, fourth box. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth box. ऊपर से fourth है. And यहाँ से जो fourth आ रहा है 1, 2, 3, 4, यही आपने नीचे तक इसको encircle करना है. Britain's only poisonous snake. It is adder. Here the D will be encircled. The world's biggest animal is whale. Here the A will be encircled. The gas we breathe in is oxygen. Here Y will be encircled. The world's biggest country in area is Russia. Russia is the biggest country in area. Area wise सबसे बड़ी है Russia. So here S will be encircled. So with this we complete the lesson narrow escape. We have completed this lesson narrow escape. So I hope all of you have understood the lesson and you will complete the exercise as I have explained you, and I have done this for you. So for today this is all, and if you have any doubts you can ask me. And you should do your work, whatever I have sent you in the notebook, question answers, this part, question answers and the meanings, which the part you do in the notebooks, you have to do it and send it. I will check it online. Send it on my number. I will check it and tell you the mistakes. Otherwise I have sent you everything ready, so there should be no mistakes, because you are not a primary school kids, you are in class 7, so you must write it carefully. And I hope all this is visible to you. I will send you the pictures also. So you complete the work. First of all, you complete these in the copies in your notebooks and send the notebooks to me positively at my number. And after that you finish this and send me. Okay, for today it is over. Thank you.